Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. The latest in hybrid architecture research just hit X, published about 5 days ago on June 13, 2026. This paper is titled, Rethinking the Role of Efficient Attention in Hybrid Architectures. While frontier systems increasingly combine full attention with efficient sequence mixers like Mamba 2, we still do not fully understand how they learn. Surprisingly, the authors discover that long-range retrieval is carried almost entirely by full attention, while efficient attention merely acts as an optimization prior that shapes how quickly the model trains. We will unpack these dynamics, and as we will see, their discovery of why larger local windows can actually delay learning is incredibly counterintuitive. Figure 1 provides a comprehensive overview of the 3 core pillars: scaling, mechanism, and design. On the left, the scaling analysis shows that while short context loss curves overlap, long context perplexity curves differ before eventually converging. The middle panel illustrates that full attention layers carry long-range retrieval while efficient attention acts as an optimization prior. Finally, the right panel outlines design improvements, showing that removing positional encodings from full attention layers boosts long context performance. Figure 1 introduced the core pillars of the study. Table 1 details the key hyperparameters for the baseline configurations, which span 5 scales labeled S1 through S5. These scales range from a compact 15 million parameter model up to 477 million parameters, excluding embeddings. This structured setup allows the authors to evaluate how model size influences both short and long context performance during training. Figure 2 illustrates how these different hybrid designs perform at scale, plotting the predicted validation loss and log-long perplexity over training tokens. The left panel shows that validation loss curves for all 7 architectures almost completely overlap, indicating that efficient attention has minimal impact on short context performance. In contrast, the right panel reveals a wide performance gap during early training, which is particularly severe for the model, with a large sliding window attention of 2048. Well, Figure 3 tests this dynamic by artificially limiting the receptive field, which is the window of previous context a model can process at inference time. The blue bars show the original performance, while the purple bars show what happens when we restrict efficient attention to approximately 2048 tokens. Perplexity barely changes. In stark contrast, restricting the full attention layers, shown by the tall orange bars, causes the log-long perplexity to shoot up to over 4.6 across every single architecture. This dramatic jump proves that full attention carries almost the entire load for long-range retrieval. Figure 4 details this mechanism further through layer-wise probing, which is a diagnostic method where researchers train simple classifiers on each layer's internal representations to measure exactly what information that specific layer has captured. The heat map displays the incremental accuracy gains on a needle in a haystack retrieval task across 17 layers. Across all hybrid architectures, these gains concentrate almost entirely in the odd-numbered full attention layers shown by the prominent green blocks. In contrast, the even-numbered efficient attention layers, marked in red, show little to no contribution, confirming that full attention carries the load for long-range retrieval. Figure 4 showed how retrieval capability is concentrated in the full attention layers. Figure 5 now provides concrete evidence for why large local windows delay this learning, a behavior termed large window laziness. On the left, Figure 5 plots gradient influence, showing that the signal decays to a flat baseline after 2048 tokens. This means a larger window captures almost all useful signal, which removes the pressure to learn long-range retrieval. Consequently, the trajectories in Figure 5b show that the model with the 2048 window, highlighted in orange, retains much higher attention entropy and slower parameter convergence. While Figure 5 demonstrated the mechanistic causes of this laziness, Table 2 evaluates how these design choices perform on downstream tasks. Table 2 compares the baseline model to a sliding window attention setup with a window of 128. It also tests a variant using no positional encoding, which means omitting explicit position signals in those layers. At both model scales, this modified hybrid, highlighted in bold, consistently outperforms the other configurations on long context benchmarks like ruler and long bench. Wrapping up, 2 main takeaways stand out. Long context performance depends almost entirely on full attention, and efficient attention acts as a helper. Shifting our focus toward optimizing those full attention layers is key. And that is a wrap. I am Alex from the AI Research Roundup, and I really appreciate you tuning in.